Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. Happy Friday, and of course the key event from the crypto world today is the expiry of approximately 6 billion option contracts on Bitcoin today. And here Glassnode have put together data showing the estimates for expiries on the 30th of April, just about 1 month from now, and you can see that a lot of traders are actually betting on Bitcoin reaching 80,000. However, a more detailed analysis putting all the options together with probabilities indicates that actually the likelihood of Bitcoin reaching 80,000 a month from now is only about 6.19%, which is quite low. And we can see that the midpoint around 50% also happens to be just a little bit over 50,000, which of course seems reasonable considering the current development. However, what is interesting to observe is that Bitcoin traders are continuously buying the dip, and this can be illustrated with a couple of graphs. First of all, data from Glassnode indicates that the net transfer volume to and from exchanges has reached a very low value. This suggests that a lot of people are withdrawing Bitcoin from exchanges and putting it into cold storage, suggesting longer-term buying behavior. This appears to indicate that about 50,000, which were some of the lows that we saw during this most recent correction, tends to act as a very attractive price for longer-term holders or a longer-term support level for Bitcoin. And finally, we can see that although whales have reduced their holdings a little bit lately, and same for the smallest holders of Bitcoin, octopus and fisher holders with over 10 all the way to 100 bitcoins have also decreased a little bit. However, the mid-range dolphin to shark, which is in the neighborhood of 100 to 1000 bitcoin, has been steadily increasing, which suggests that the mid-range holders with some good understanding of Bitcoin are accumulating coins. So let's see how you can trade some of these insights. First of all, we have Bitcoin versus Tether. On the 1 hour chart, we can see that the relative strength index recovered to well above 50 and the MACD, the blue MACD, crossed above 0. But what is more significant is what is happening on the 4 hour chart. We had a bullish crossover of the MACD line crossing above the red signaling line, so over 53,000, opportunity to initiate long positions. We targeted 53,700. and then 54,600. However, if we break below 52,500, more downside is possible. We targeted 51,800 and 51,000. Next, we're moving to Ethereum versus Tether. And here we have reclaimed 1,600. And the way that I'm reading this chart is I'll be waiting for prices to trade above 1,615 before initiating long positions on the back of the MACD crossing above 0 once again, and the relative strength index recovered over 50 with the target on the long side at 1,650, which is the nearest resistance level, and if that level is cleared we can be targeting 1,700 once again, but this seems unlikely in the next couple of hours. Conversely, if we break below 1,600 we could decline further away to 1,580, which is the nearest support level, and then if that level is broken, the next support is at 1,550. Another idea from today is in Polkadot versus Tether. Polkadot has reclaimed the level of 31 and is trading over 30 once again. What we have on the 4 hour chart is a bullish crossover of the MACD indicator with the blue line crossing above the red signaling line. The relative strength index is recovering, although it's still not over 50, but to me over 30 there is a good opportunity to initiate long positions. We targeted 33, which used to be support, now it's a resistance level, and a stop loss at 29, giving you a favorable 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Another idea for today is in Litecoin versus Tether. Here we have reclaimed 175. So to me, and once again we had this bullish crossover with the blue MACD line crossing above the red signaling line, confirming some more bullish vibes in Litecoin. So over 175 buying, we targeted 185 and stop loss at 170 for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And the final idea for today comes from Cosmos versus Tether. And over 17.5, I'm seeing an opportunity to initiate long positions with target at 19.5, which is the nearest resistance level, and a stop loss at 16.5. Once again, working with 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio on a climbing relative strength index and a bullish crossover of the MACD indicators. Thank you very much for joining me today. As always, keep learning with the video education section in the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.